Welcome to Super Stuff.
Super Stuff came forward, opened up. It's for us. Super Stuff unbox. Super Stuff. Super Stuff came forward, opened up. It's for us. Super Stuff unbox. Super Stuff. Super Stuff came forward, opened up. It's for us. Super Stuff unbox. Super Stuff. Super Stuff came forward, opened up. It's for us. Super Stuff unbox.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Super Stuff Unboxed. Yeah, I do that with my voice every single time, and that's because I love unboxings. And today, for the first time, we're going to unbox just 5 Spider-Men all at once right in front of you. We already opened this video up with some carousels, so we don't really need to show you the front and the backs too much. We're not going to look at every little hand, because what's really important is, like with a Secret Wars Spider-Man like this, how would he look like if he had this black head on, or this Peter head on with a little bit of symbiote, or that black head on, or what if he had this Venom head accessory on? And then I thought, let's just include this magic one specifically, because there are 3 web lines coming out of the nose area on this. This has 3 web lines. This is a battle damaged spider costume arm, and that is 2. So it seems like it would be the perfect head if those pegs fit. If I didn't want to just use something like that head, which could also go with the battle damaged arm. So let's just see how all this stuff mixes and matches together. I'm super excited about it. Let's get going. Let's start with this Dark Avenger Spider-Man, the Build-A-Figure for the Executioner piece. We're not going to take such a close look at this particular video, but there is the set for the Executioner, and obviously, yeah, you might be familiar with him. I mean, if you're into Marvel, to the point where you're watching like unboxing videos, like this, not afraid of doing 5 in 1. Let's see if we can show you a little bit more here with the background. We've got ourselves a leg. Looks kind of normal. Nothing particularly special about this leg. Looks like pretty standard size Build-A-Figure part. Okay, kind of your modern head hole side. At least there's a reason cheap. I'm wondering if I can make a Green Lantern Salic, or what was the guy with all the arms that worked for Strife? Okay, this guy looks awesome though. Come on, 6 arms. Oh my gosh, and they give you 2 more alternate hands. So, and for the price, oh man, dude, look how they connect. Just to show it, super cool. And the extra head. Look at how many extra heads we are getting. Okay, let's set him to the side already, because that might already start pairing well with the Secret Wars alien costume. So what a more retro style. Marvel's Magic. Gosh, I love her. Oh, that Daredevil. Wow, cool set. All right, just sticking my thumb in and working it around the edges. You guys know what I'm talking about, right? Woo-hoo. Excuse me there. Let's take a little look at the Secret Wars hologram. All right, is this gonna come across on video? I think it is, because of cameras these days. It's so cool. All right, we got Spidey hand for the right, and this, people were a little, what is this? Okay, this has to come out. I don't know what this is. Oh my gosh. It's a little piece of symbiote goo. I have no idea, but I'm just imagining that it like latches on somewhere. Huh. Okay. That is an interesting accessory. Okay, already cool. We've got a head extra for this guy. Cool to get this thing. All right, let's get this yours. Woohoo! Yes. Dude, this is an amazing spider. Now listen, amazing Spider-Man, haha. Now listen though, if he wasn't battle damaged, this is the Spider-Man action figure we would have needed from you. I mean, honestly, Marvel Legends, just give us this exact Peter without the battle damage and symbiote stuff. Not that this isn't amazing. Okay, this is super cool. This is great. Oh man. Well, okay. That's what we're here for. Popping. Ooh, that's on there good. Popping heads. Is this even going to be worth it? No, that's going to look absolutely ridiculous and stupid and even a little small. But it gives me the opportunity to pop a head on this one just for the sake of it, because that needed to get done anyways. Okay. Back to this guy for just a sec. Okay, I don't like that as much, but whatever. The whole point was seeing if this guy, if this makes any sense with this kind of head on. Ooh, from this side. Ooh, maybe from the back. Straight on, it looks ridiculous. Okay, ridiculous. But we've got an extra black head. And this looked pretty awesome. And you know what? Let's leave that off and kind of loose for a second, because next we've got our Spider Venom carded Marvel Legend, and this has some symbiote on the side. I'm thinking it could work really well with either of those behind us. And then comparing the head of the sixth armed one side by side with this, we've got ourselves, technically I like the six-armed head better. That might look, oh dude, look how much better that looks there. Ooh, we've got ourselves, okay, what kind of set do we have here? Spider-Man 2099. Oh wow, that was a great figure. Oh, got the cardiac on clearance. That was a cool set. All right, sticking the thumb hand like I'm saying earlier. A second layer that just has a gigantic chain. I'm not too familiar with the chain, but Ghost Rider's chain, sure. Like, man, but what? Oh, dude, this thing is in there. Did you see that? Okay, I'm already wondering about that chain and that head, but let's pop them. All right. Here we go. Spider Venom. That's right. This is Peter Parker as Venom, not the black suit Spider-Man. Peter Parker as Venom. Now this, in my hand, was his alternate head. And how does it look? It looks a little big and short. Does it kind of work? Yeah. Okay. Interesting. At least the ball peg fits good. You can hear that pop, right? Am I saying that this is preferable? Sure. But this, okay, is not the head that this one came with, but we're gonna do all this kind of stuff, but we're not even messing with that chain. You can see that later on in the carousels. This, oh, that's better than that. In my mind, to each their own. Okay, they have each other's heads on. Do they pull them off? Are they both improvements? Possibly. They have each other's heads on in the background. And speaking of each other's heads on, they came with some But this was the main one. Ooh, the black thing on that side. Does it work? Man, I don't know if it does. Kind of. Ooh, but what if you throw on like a accessory like this over here with the head sitting? Oh man. Oh man. Okay. Well, more things to play around with. Like, subscribe, come back for more. Or don't. Never see something like this again. This experience is legitimate. Ooh-wee. Yes. What was this? Oh yeah, Spider-Man 3. No one is keeping this Tobey Maguire head. Sorry, Toby. It sucks. This is the one everyone made fun of. How's the articulation and movement? Oh, the black suit though is cool. Oh, Marvel Legends. All right. Yeah, dude. You know what? Oh, dude, they did the webbing good for butterflies. Yes, okay. Enjoy that head for now, because you're coming off. We don't want to see that stupid head on the other guys right now, but we definitely want to see what we paid for. This Spider-Man. Yes. The black suit. Spider-Venom. Oh my gosh. Look at all these Peter Venoms. Not Eddie Venom. Wait. Should I try either of those heads? No. None of those heads. This accessory is what this is all about. Speaking of trying it with heads, I guess that's good to find out if it can just slide on or if you have to pop a head. And I think on the box it fits on. Okay, obviously it doesn't make as much sense. All right, let's put it back. Just for one last look, probably. All right, it's cool, sure, but can we put it, can we put it to better use? Can we? Well, this is what I was really wondering about. Will you slide over? This big head, almost, I'd be so mad if I wreck this live on the video, but that like claw could sit on the face. Oh, and it wraps kind of there in the armpit. Holy cow. We've got a Spider Venom head. And you know what? This is off the littlest bit right here, but this Kitbash is cool. So, and look, you can pull this Kitbash off and none of these figures are messed up. As a matter of fact, they all look great. Oh man, we're still unboxing something else magical here. Not edit this at all for time. 5 minutes per figure so far with Kitbash, not bad. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, for a card, a 3-2. 3 is the power or their attack. 2 is the defense or how much it takes to kill them. So this guy could kill people with a back number as high as 3. Spectacular Spider-Man gains flying until end of turn. This is spectacular Spider. Oh, white mana and 1 to summon him. That's what you'd have to tap. Relatively low. Sacrifice spectacular Spider-Man. Creatures you control gain hexproof and indestructible. If you sacrifice him, all of your creatures gain indestructible until end of turn. Oh man. You guys might not have any idea what that means, and that's okay. If you ever wanted a web shield that looks like it goes around, this this is how you get one. The magic one. Okay. Look at this head. It's far, man. That's the nice thing about opening 5 Spider-Man and those extra heads. And okay, battle damaged for sure. All right. He looks cool. Butterfly, nice. Battle damaged head. Okay. We've got the head he came with. Matching. Ooh. Really matching beat up. This is different. Yes. You didn't see this in the package. This is why you turn in, just to see the alternate head, or one of the reasons. I'm excited about it. I think it looks good. All right, but what are we here for? We're here for messing around with some heads. So let's pop this head off and put on the magic head and just see how that plays. And it plays really good, I would say. And what if we didn't have the Spider-Man 3 accessory? That still plays good. The reds are definitely off, but the damage matches enough. Would people be thinking the reds, especially in lesser lighting style situations? Huh. Yeah, I don't know. I'm excited about all the possibilities, though, for sure. And what is the best? Dang. Okay. Let's get this thing finished up soon here, people. Let's just try this one out for size. Because I know that's what made this oh, dude, it's stuck on that one little thing. Oh, yeah. Mother of pearl. This is what I'm talking about. This is what it is about. This kind of stuff. Look at this. That works. Holy cow. Man. And you aren't out. Remember, these two have each other's heads on them. Oh, wow. Wow. Awesome. We did it. Okay, we didn't mess around with the chains, but this is already getting to be a kind of a long video. We have found some super stuff. Highly compatible. All the heads, at least, were the same size. All right, this is our battle damaged and Venom symbiote. It's currently like the end of June 2026 video. Thank you for watching Super Stuff Unboxed. We appreciate you. We'll catch you next time. Let's take some pics and videos. Yeah!
Super Stuff Unboxed. It's the figures for us. 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 stuff unboxed. It's the figures for us.